Everybody, today is August the 16th, 2023, and this is Dr. Fryer, and I want to show you some really cool things in Google Earth that I've added to our class Wonder Links. So if you just Google Wonder Links, you should be able to get your way to our page, which is on lessons.wesfryer.com, and right here at the top today, and this will change depending on when you're looking at it, I've got some links in red, which are our media literacy class links for Google Earth for the web. So when you go to this website, which is just earth.google.com, you're here in Google Earth, and you can, explore. You can, click in and search for stuff. But what I want to show you, two things really quick. Get lucky. All right. So over here on the right, there's a little sidebar on the right. On the left, there's a sidebar, and when you click on the dice, it's just going to give you a random place on the Earth. So here is a rock formation called Kissing Couple that's in the Colorado National Monument. And so you can click around. If you have a mouse, you can use the scroll wheel to scroll in and out of the location. You can also hold down, I think, if you're on a Mac, it's the command button. If you're on a PC, I think it's control. And then you can, be able to move around and manipulate this. And it's really cool how you can see these things in 3 dimensions. So just click on that icon of the dice, and here we're going in the middle of, looks like Spain, the Iberian Peninsula. And so you can do this on an iPad as well, but I think it's just pretty awesome on the laptop. And again, experiment with scrolling in, scrolling out, holding down that command button on a Mac or control on a PC, and then being able to rotate your view. Okay, next thing I want to show you real fast are Voyages. If you click on the icon on the left again, that looks like a sailing ship wheel, then you can explore, and there's nature, games, layers, street view. I think I'm going to go to education, and I'm going to go to the geometry of castles. And so this has a lot of different amazing tours and tour stops to show how angles, line of sight, and properties of circles help define the geometry of castles. So this is kind of cool. So over on the right side here, you have the card for an individual place. And so, see, I wonder why we didn't fly there. Okay. So here's Mont Saint-Michel, which is in Normandy, France. And again, you can go ahead and zoom in. You can zoom out. You can hold down that control key to rotate around. And you can, read about this. The shadow that's on that. Isn't that cool? And then you can use these arrows in the right to go back and forth between them. I wonder why this first one it doesn't fly to. So there's links sometimes that are here. So it says learn more about the geometry and architecture. Sometimes else that's related. But anyway, that's it. That's the 2 things I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you these Voyager tours, which I guess are going to move soon to another place. But right now you can access them right here within Google Earth. And then I feel lucky. So hope that's enjoyable, and I look forward to hopefully students in having you share some of the cool things that you find here in Google Earth for the web. Bye-bye.